Hi guys, so there's more to creating a vision board than just slapping a bunch of pictures together, and I want to show you how to use the law of attraction to really upgrade your vision board. I'm Dr. Tiffany Shelton. I'm a psychologist and owner of Conscious Life Shop, and I make videos on how to create a manifestation mindset, so please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, so I want to help you use tenets of the law of attraction so that you can really use your vision board to manifest the most amazing life. So I'm just going to jump right into my first tip. So first, before you even start making your vision board, I want you to sit down and decide what is it that you want for the coming year. I'm assuming that you're making your vision board for the next year of things you want to manifest. It could be for any time period, but I'm just doing that because that's what most people want to do at the beginning of the year. So I want you to sit down and actually think about what it is you intend to manifest in the next year. I want you to think of those things and I want you to write them down. Then I want you to write down for each of those things and try to keep it concise, try to keep it focused and believable. I want you to write down why you want each of those things. So try to come up with at least 3 reasons for each of those things that you want of why you want them. This is going to increase your wanting, with a key piece of the law of attraction is heightened wanting. And then I also want you to write 3 reasons why you believe you can have and you will have each of those things. And this is another piece of the law of attraction, which is heightened belief. So you're going to do this exercise before you even sit down to create those vision boards. The next thing you're going to want to do after you set the intention and you decide why you want them and why you believe in them is you're going to do some visualization. I want you to sit down and have an imagination workshop. This is another piece of the law of attraction, and I want you to visualize in a kind of meditative but more active imagination way what it would be like to have these things in your life. What will your life look like if you had a illustrator come and draw pictures of what a book of your life like that would be like? What would he draw? And I want you to imagine in very vivid imagery what your life will look like once you have these things. And also I want you to feel, what would you feel like if you had these things? What would the emotions be that you would experience on a daily basis if you manifested these things? So you're going to visualize and you're going to feel during that visualization. And this is another key part of the law of attraction that's really going to boost your vision board. Once you've done those first 2 steps, then you're going to move on to creating the vision board. So now you have what you want, why you want it, why you believe you'll have it, and you have the visions and the imagery to match. Then you're going to search for images that match what you came up with in your visualization. And then you can also take things from your everyday life. If you see imagery in your everyday life, let's say you see a car that you want or a mom that you want to be like, you can include that imagery as well and search for pictures that really embody things that you've visualized in your imagination workshop, as well as things that you can take from your everyday life. And those are going to be the things that you include on your vision board. So doing this pre-work before you actually sit down to create your collage of imagery is really going to help you to have a vision board that has power behind it and is not just a bunch of pictures. So I hope these tips help you upgrade your vision board using the law of attraction. Happy manifesting. I am wishing you all the luck and success in building the life and the mindset that you desire. I also have a manifestation routine guide, daily routine guide that I will link in the description below. It's completely free, so check that out. And if you like these types of videos, please subscribe to my channel. Until next video, namaste.